Today I'm going to show you the barrel clamp, which actually is a very popular way of using a frame. So as you know, that I really love the seat frame, which I've spent years developing with the manufacturer and improving. But actually the barrel clamps are very good if you want to keep your needlework in one place, and it does tend to work on most tables. So you might want to check the depth of your table and just find that you've got a table to put it on. So these are very popular with the Royal School of Needlework girls that we had on our recent tour. So I'm just going to pop the barrel clamp in here, and if you just pan up, Richard, you can see that Bella's using that as a chin rest. Bella, do you like that one? Just trying to get on my knee. So this is screwed onto the table with the base. That's very helpful, Bella. Thank you. I know, you love to be part of this, don't you? It's your moment. We're not paying you any fees, and no dogs were harmed in the making of this video. So I'm going to take my hoop that I normally use off here, and this comes in a set with this size hoop anyway. Well, excuse me, and then you just pop the stalk that you normally have. It's the same manufacturer anyway, and you pop that down, and you use the same type of plastic screw on the side, and then you can stitch away, and your dog can actually get on your knee. I don't think that's very clever, Bella. I think we'll just put it down a minute. So I would actually just adjust the height of that a little bit lower, my seat further back, but as you can see, that's a very comfortable way of sitting. But it's not quite as mobile. I can't sit in the hen run with this, but if you have a table, a nice solid table, that's absolutely fine. I would recommend these.